Migrate from Oracle to Databricks and get advanced analytics with Bizmetric's accelerated approach. BrickBuilder solution creates a unified Lakehouse platform with Azure integration and flexible architecture, enhancing insights through dashboards and automated reports. The pipeline extracts data from Oracle, applies the medallion architecture, and controls execution using a metadata framework that functions as a runtime parameter. The layers run concurrently, reducing time and improving efficiency. Then, the delta table in the gold layer is used in the CFO dashboard. This is an ingestion control table that extracts data from the source and stores it in a delta table. It holds details about the source in the corresponding bronze delta table. This is the silver configuration table, containing information about the catalog, bronze table, and silver table. After pipeline execution, all the delta tables are successfully populated in the gold schema. The solution provides comprehensive metrics by ledger, company, and other categories, allowing users to change the fiscal month and add additional ledgers as needed. It offers insights into the last 13 fiscal periods, with detailed and high-level summaries presented through intuitive tooltips available across all reports. These metrics include profitability analysis, gross profit margin, net profit margin, return on equity, return on assets, total revenue by company, net income by company, operating expenses, and operating income by company. Users can drill down from high-level summaries to detailed SL-level information, including transaction-level data like invoice numbers. Additionally, cash and liquidity analysis covers metrics such as receivables turnover, current ratio, and account receivables, while financial leverage analysis includes debt-to-share ratio, debt-to-equity ratio, balance sheet TTM, and closing balances for assets, liabilities, and equity.
Our Oracle to Databricks code. Converter uses Gen AI to automatically transform legacy Oracle scripts into production-ready Spark SQL code with high accuracy and business logic preservation. Powered by RAG, intelligent transformation engines, and continuous learning, it accelerates migration while reducing manual effort, errors, and modernization timelines. We've enabled Genie across the finance ecosystem to let business users ask natural language questions and instantly gain insights into accounts receivable, accounts payable, general ledger, and cash flow scenarios. The solution supports real-time what-if analysis, financial reconciliation, and revenue validation across subledgers and the GL. Genie also provides full transparency by exposing underlying SQL queries for auditability and validation. With rapid scenario modeling, interactive querying, and exportable insights, finance leaders can make faster, data-driven decisions with confidence. Want to know more? Contact our experts right away